Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. Joining us this morning, a real treat, Dr. David Krebs from Envision Eye Care. Thank you so much for being here, Doctor. How are you today?
I am good. Thank you for having me.
Of course, we're delighted that you're here, Doctor. Today, viewers, we are talking all about cataracts and how to restore your youthful vision. First, Doctor, for people who don't know what cataracts are, what are cataracts?
So cataracts are when the lenses in the eye get cloudy. Opacification of the eye's natural crystalline lens.
Okay, so doctor, if someone says, oh, I may have these, what are some symptoms that would lead someone to believe that they have cataracts?
Well, everybody gets cataracts as they get older, and what people with cataracts experience is a gradual and progressive decrease in their vision. Gradual and progressive decrease in ability to see, to do things like reading and driving, things like that.
Okay, so if someone says, oh my goodness, that's me, I have cataracts, how does a patient go about correcting cataracts? What can they do?
Well, in the early stages, we can correct cataracts with glasses or contacts.
Okay.
And then as the cataracts progress, sometimes it's harder to correct them with glasses or contacts.
So the next option would be surgery, is that right, doctor?
Yes, so the next option would be cataract surgery.
Okay,
correct.
Tell us a little bit about surgery. How does that work, and how's the recovery from cataract surgery as well?
So the surgery takes about 10 minutes to do. It's outpatient surgery. You come in, you have surgery, you go home the same day. And it's really the most common, most successful surgery we do in the country. It's about 99% successful.
Wow. Now, if someone didn't want surgery, you said glasses, that's another option?
Yeah, so when cataracts are in the early stages,
yes,
we can still correct your vision with glasses, but eventually as the cataracts progress, glasses lose their effectiveness, yes.
Oh, okay. Doctor, so after someone has cataract surgery, will they need glasses?
So that's a good question, and that depends upon what implant people choose. So the standard cataract surgery, we put in a lens implant that only focuses for distance, so people will need glasses for reading. If people choose to upgrade their lens, they can get something called a multifocal lens, which will focus the light for distance and near, so then they won't need reading glasses. So it depends on the choice of lens implant.
Okay, so doctor, I know this question popped up in my mind. If someone has cataract surgery, what are some of the common side effects after surgery?
There really aren't too many side effects of cataract surgery. Really very few. 1 in 4 people after cataract surgery may need a laser. Sometimes they can get a little film behind the lens implant. We laser through that. So that's really about it.
Yeah, and so you're saying, you know, no side effects really, and the recovery time is pretty good, doctor?
Yeah. We tell people they can do normal activities starting the day after surgery. So if you have surgery on a Monday, we see you Tuesday morning, and I tell people normal activities. You could play golf, you could read, whatever you normally want to do. You can work, you can lift, normal activities.
Okay, doctor, if someone's saying, okay, I know I have cataracts, they're a little nervous about surgery, they don't know what to do, what would you say? What message would you have for those viewers?
I would say try glasses or contacts, and if you can still do your normal activities, then you don't need cataract surgery. If you can still see to read and drive and watch TV and do everything, just function with glasses and contacts. When you can't see with glasses or contacts, then it might be time to talk about cataract surgery.
Great, valuable information. I know you've eased so many people's minds out there. Thank you so much, doctor, for calling in today. We appreciate you.
Thank you very much for having me. I appreciate it.
Of course, you're welcome. For more information, just head on over to the Hot Link section at WNEM.com.